Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT on TRC20 here on Binance. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account, or even if you do, you can go ahead and click the link in the description below or at the comments, where you do have an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Alright, and also it will help support the channel. So in here, in the Binance app, just go ahead over to your assets or wallet. Okay, open it up. And once done, go ahead over to funding. And then once done, just go ahead and tap on USDT. All right. In here, just go ahead and tap on send. Tap on chain withdrawal. Okay. Now go ahead and enter the address right here, or the TRC20 address. Then once done, select the network, select Tron TRC20, and type down the amount. All right. The minimum right here is 10. And then once done, just go ahead and tap on withdraw. And in no time, you will receive your USDT on TRC20. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.